Here we have been asked to identify the order of the CO bond length as observed in the given organic compounds. So when it comes to organic compound 1, what we observe that it is a carbon oxygen double bond. The compound is a ketone. When it comes to organic compound 2, what we observe is that it is a carbon oxygen single bond and the compound is an ether. In organic compound 3 also we have been given an ether, but the ether contains a benzene ring. So now the general concept which says that the length of a single bond is always going to be more than a double bond. The length of double bond is always going to be more than a triple bond. Now this is a general concept. Now what we have to observe in organic compound 1 is that we have a carbon oxygen double bond and there is no resonance and no hyperconjugation. Hence what we are able to say is that in organic compound 1 the carbon oxygen double bond has a 100% carbon oxygen double bond character. In organic compound 2, what we are able to observe that we have a carbon oxygen single bond. Here there is no sign of a resonance, there is also no hyperconjugation. Hence this carbon oxygen single bond has 100% single bond character. Now when it comes to the third organic compound, we have a carbon oxygen single bond, but we have a benzene ring in the ether, and as we know, oxygen molecule, oxygen atom is always going to have lone pairs. Now these lone pairs are going to enter into a resonance with the benzene ring, thus affecting the bond length also. This is a carbon oxygen single bond, but the length is going to decrease as it will acquire a double bond character also due to the resonance. Now the general concept was that the length of a single bond will be the highest. So what we can say is that in organic compound 2, it is a 100% single bond. So it will have the highest bond length. Then we have a carbon oxygen single bond in organic compound 3, which is acquiring a certain double bond character. And then we have a 100% single bond. We have a 100% double bond. So in this case, the length of the carbon oxygen double bond, which has a 100% double bond character, is going to be the shortest. Thus, after analyzing all the given options, we observe that the appropriate answer is option B. The carbon oxygen bond in compound 2 has the highest bond length, followed by the carbon oxygen bond in organic compound 3, followed by the carbon oxygen double bond in organic compound 1.